How to fix TikTok location services option not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to fix on the TikTok location services missing or not showing on your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to have the TikTok application installed on your device and it must be updated in the latest version. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either iPhone or Android. Then search for TikTok application, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. This will fix the bugs and glitches and update the features to improve your experience on TikTok. Now come back to your TikTok application. Go to your user profile by tapping on user icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. Tap on account, that is the initial option. Then go ahead and tap on account information in the top, and there you will see the option of account region. Go ahead and select the region that you are using the TikTok on. Then again go ahead and tap and hold onto this application and tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. From here, go to permissions, and there you will see the option of location, and make sure that you select allow only while using the app. And also make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. You can scroll down and tap on storage as well, then tap on clear cache. Come back. Try for stopping this application or offloading this application and re-enable or reinstall it again, and you'll be done. So this is how you can go ahead and fix the TikTok location services not showing problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.